Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. You might spot there's a few raindrops on some of these. I was going to film this with the door open because it was very hot in here, and then it started raining, so there's actually a bit of background noise of it raining. These are spread over a few days of charity shopping. I don't think I've shown them to you before. Certainly not that one, no, not that one. Might have seen that one, can't remember. This is just one of those wall climbers, but it's in pretty poor state. It's missing one of the skirts, obviously missing the controller. They never come with the controllers in charity shops. I say never, I think once or twice I've got them with the controllers. They're infrared controlled. They've got a small LiPo battery in there, charger on the back there, and then you've got 3-position switch. One position is for on the ground, one position is off, and the other position is on the wall. The difference between ground and wall is the wall switch turns on the motor there that sucks the air out to grip it against the wall. Very lightweight. These wheels do nothing, they're for visual effect only. That's the wheel and that's the wheel. There's 2 motors, 2 gearboxes. When they both drive together it goes forwards, and any other time it turns. And they have lights on them, nice bright LEDs. I've done a few little projects with them. I really didn't need another one, but it was 50p, so I thought I'd have it for my bits and pieces box. So that's what that one is. This one, my wife spotted it actually. Manufactured by Colorific, Victoria, Australia, made in China. Needs 3 AG13 batteries. Don't know if I've got any. It's just a walker. It's missing a couple of 3 of its shoes. And when my wife tried it in the shop, it didn't actually walk yet. So probably need to change the batteries in there. Just thought it looked like fun. So yeah, I'll swap the batteries in a minute and we'll see if we can get it to run. This one, Range Rover, I think somewhere. Oh yeah, written on the front, Range Rover. Picked that up by accident actually. I thought it only said 99p on it, and I thought 99p, not too bad. But £1.99, double the price. Really not worth it because you've got no controller. It might be alright. I've got quite a few 40 MHz controllers, so we'll give it a try anyway. But at 99p it was probably alright for spare parts. At £1.99, yeah, it's pushing it a bit. Come on, open. Doesn't want to open. Okay. So 3 AA batteries. A little bit of white dust in there, so the old ones had gone dry. So we'll give it a try anyway. Made in China. Oh, Diasaw toys. I've had one of them fairly recently, remember that name. D-I-A-S-A-W toys. DX. Diasaw toys. We'll see if it works. But I really had my eye on that for spare parts as well. Looks like that one's got LEDs for front and back. Range Rover Evoque. Is it Evoque or Evoke? I don't know. And then this one, I would definitely suggest not buying this one. It was £1. Missing the tyres. 1/32 scale Lamborghini Veneno. by Zinyu Arts Toys Limited, 2013, xqtoys.com. And the reason I wouldn't advise buying this one, even for spare parts, is it's 2.4 gigahertz, and they're as bad as the infrared ones. I can never get a matching controller. I'll give it a try. I've got a few 2.4 gigahertz toy grade controllers, but I don't usually get any success. Just trying to see whether that's got LEDs. No, it doesn't look like it's got LEDs. And we've got 2 AAA batteries in there. Needs 3. So, which shall we do first? I won't do anything with that. That literally is just for spare parts. If you have a look in the video description, I'll put a link to some of my playlists that have got these in them. That one will just put some batteries in. That one, 40 megahertz. Yeah, let's put some batteries in that one first. Well, that's the first success of the day. I've put the batteries in. Got one of my spare controllers here, baby born, but it's 40 megahertz on. Okay. So it steers, drives, and it steers. The only thing is that's reversed to this controller. I mean, if I push it left there, the wheels turn left, but remember, it's that way up, so that's actually going to go right when I turn left, and left when I turn right. It is forwards and backwards the right way. Rear lights come on, front lights come on. So yeah, that one looks like that's okay. As I say, unless you happen to have the right controller though, you're a bit out of luck there. Right, let's have a look. Forwards, backwards. I think we're probably down a little bit on power. That's shuddering a bit. When I say down on power, I mean the batteries. They weren't fresh ones that I put in there. So turn right to go left. Oh dear. A wheel fell off. Absolutely no comments about the real cars. Well, at least we can see it's got a little disc brake in there that obviously does nothing, but it's there for looks. That's so you can see it through the inside of the wheels, isn't it? Yeah, it's got a big split in it, that's why it came off. Can you see that? I don't know, probably too close for focus. There's a big split up that side. Still, on the positive side, clearly the receiver works okay. Motor runs, steering motor runs. So we've certainly got enough bits there to make another car if we wanted, or a boat or something like that. So I'll chuck that in my spare parts box and do something with it at some time. I'll take the batteries back out because we don't actually want the batteries in there. Okay, so £1.99, double what I would normally pay for something in that condition with no controller. Yeah, but okay, not too bad. That's my current stock of 2.4 gigahertz toy grade controllers. Got 4 of them. Well, I've actually got 2 of them. So let's have a look at these batteries. I don't honestly expect them to be any good, but you never know. No, that's pretty well dead. Yeah, I didn't really expect them to be any good, but I like to check. So we go for some cheap Poundland ones. I'll probably take the sticky labels off, can't we? Right, on. On. Some of these have got a sequence for binding. So it doesn't look like it's going to work with that one. And this one. Nope. You ought to off and on that, just in case that made a difference. No. Can't imagine for 1 minute it will bind to this one. Off, turn that one on, turn that one on. No. Put that one out of the way. Finally this one, which doesn't have an on-off. So, as expected, no luck whatsoever with 2.4 gigahertz. So this one's going to be for parts. Parts only. Yeah, oh well, there we go. Oh, we haven't done the little crawling thing, have we? Come on, out. Yeah. 3 of them. It's a bit faster. Okay, is it going to work with just 3 feet? One way to find out. Yeah. So yeah, that one works. That's the sort of thing I'd normally take apart, just to have a look at the way the gearing works. I might do that in a separate episode. Just do a little tear down of that so we can have a look inside. And then I'll probably donate it back to another charity shop, because there's nothing wrong with it, it's just a little bit of fun. Oh, and it's missing 3 shoes, but it still works.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.